Hey guys, welcome back to another quick informative video. So today's gonna be my first impressions of the new iPhone XR. So this phone just released yesterday, and actually yesterday was the first day I was able to kind of do hands-on. I couldn't film it just because of the location where I was at. You know, it was actually a customer's, so it's not like I was gonna pull out my camera and be like, "Yo, let me record your picture, your phone." So yeah, I did unbox. I did unbox it. They let me unbox it for them. It was pretty cool. I did manage to get some pictures, and this could be just my first impressions from a real consumer, somebody that, let's say, is kind of both sides, either Apple or Samsung, even though I'm more with Android or Samsung than Apple. But me having an iPhone 7 Plus, I can tell you the difference between them. And just like I said, honest opinion, first thing when you open the box, what were the thoughts that were coming to my mind? I'm going to show you some pictures here, screenshots of it. I have them in my phone because I took them. So the one I unboxed was the black edition. Of course I would get a text message or an email actually. So when I first unboxed the phone, it looks nice. So yes, the notch on the top is a little bit wider. As you can see in the picture, it is a little bit wider than the 10. My wife has a 10, and so I know how both of them feel. So overall, I mean, nothing like, oh my god, this phone sucks, I'm not gonna get it. No, I don't really mind it. There's a notch, so whatever. And then of course the bezels on the side, especially when you turn on the screen, guys, they're pretty freaking thick. I'm used to the Galaxy and now the 10 as well. The bezels are not as thick as this phone. Even the sides, they're pretty thick. But that comes with the LCD screen, or the liquid retina that they're saying about it, you know. So second picture's on the back of the phone. Pretty cool. I like the back of the phone. Of course, this is the black edition, but I also unboxed the red one, and oh my god, guys. If the one thing I have to give Apple is the colors are pretty cool. The black is kind of boring, just standard iPhone 8 even colors really. But where it really shines is the blue, the coral, and the red. The product red to me was the most beautiful phone that I, seen next to my Galaxy's blue here. But overall, it was pretty nice, guys. I'm not gonna lie. So this is the black, but like I said, if you see the red in person, it's amazing. Very, very nice. Another thing is that camera sensor. There's only one. There's only one instead of two. Sorry, but that sensor is huge. I mean, look at that sensor. That thing is huge. It's big. You can notice it right away. So it's not as reformed or refined like it on the X or anything like that. Just a big camera sensor, but it is the same as the 10, so it's not bad at all. So let's go to the next picture and see it. So this is the number one thing you can notice the difference between the 10 and the XR or any other iPhones. I know this picture doesn't do it justice, guys, but the phone is pretty thick. If you look at it, I mean, it's probably the length of my fingernail. I don't have that much. My fingernails aren't super big, but it's pretty thick, guys. I'm not gonna lie. You holding it feels like a brick. I know the 10 is pretty thick as it is, but this one just made it even thicker. So definitely the thickness of it, and the same thing has to do with that display from what I heard. That's the number one thing. Like I said, when you hold it, it's thick, it's chubby, but once you put a case on it, it's not as bad. I mean, this thing is thicker than a Snicker, so dang. And then of course the bottom you do have there's no headphone jack, and you don't get a headphone dongle with this as well when you unlock it, or when you unbox it, I mean. So there it is, as you can see it. Your charging port does use the same kind of charger as all the iPhones above the 4, of course, because after that the 5 and all that stuff they changed. You can see the speaker grills on the bottom. I believe only one of them actually works, but overall it's nice. Now the number one thing is that I have to talk about is this display, guys. When you turn on the phone, yes, you can tell a difference, trust me, versus the iPhone 10 or 10s. Compared to the XR, you can definitely tell it's a little bit, it looks even to me a little bit more grainy, a little bit more pixelated, a little bit more blurry. I'm not gonna lie, I was like, whoa, yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. But remember, this phone's like $250 cheaper than the 10s. It's what, $150 more cheaper than just a regular 10 now. So for $150 more, I'd probably say just get the 10. It's the 10 right now, it's like at $900. But yeah, if it doesn't matter too much. Now the number one thing is, once you unlock the whole phone and get to it, you can't really tell the pixels unless you look. I mean, dead eye, unless your eyes touching the LCD screen, you know, you can't tell the pixelation like you can on other phones. Trust me, I've seen other ones. So it's not as bad as people say it is. Yes, you can tell the quality of it. It's not as vibrant as the 10, like I said. But hey, guys, it'll get you through it. It's not that bad. Trust me. It's just, you can definitely tell the difference. It's not as HD. In other words, of course, it's not rocking out. It's not even 1080, guys. You know, compared to the 10 or the 10s. So that's why the quality is a little bit dimmer. So it's above 720. It's like 8 and some change. So that's the only thing. Everything else, I mean, it's nice, smooth. Doesn't have that 3D touch. And yes, you can do that in emoji, and you can make your you know, an emoji as well. So it's pretty cool, guys. Apart from that, the phone looks great. The colors look great. Put a case on it, and you know, it is what it is. If you want to save some money, a lot of carriers have it on special. Some carriers have it for on a $200 off, $250 off. You can get it for $500. Some other carriers, you can buy one, get one with another carrier. Boost Mobile has it on sale. Cricket has it on, doesn't have it on sale. Metro by T-Mobile has it on sale, so a lot of carriers have it on sale, so check it out, guys. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know if you want me to grab it and unbox it. I don't know. I have 2 other pretty expensive phones that are coming to the channel, so I don't know if I'll get the XR. Let me know, though, what you think. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Remember, this is my honest opinion about it. So you might have a different opinion, but this is honest opinion for you guys. If you want to support the channel, you can via my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out netbuddy.co. They offer a true unlimited AT&T hotspot for only $60 a month. So no throttle, no slowdown. They do to help the channel. I get a little kickback. And you also save $5. Use my link and promo code at checkout, Sanchez45973, to save $5. Thank you.